I became a teacher about 18 years ago. Teaching in a predominantly white environment still allowed me to see that the students wanted to know more about other cultures. Now, being in a diverse school community, my role is more to be a liaison to find ways for them to connect and also have an ongoing dialogue to see what those experiences are, and from Canadian born and raised kids to see about other stories and where people's backgrounds are from. So when they leave my classroom, I see the relationships in the hallway. And I see my ESL students, or all my students now, interacting with different kids and trying sports and doing things that they haven't done before. Here these students are coming from a different country, not even speaking the language, and having a smile on their faces and trying something new. I said that's hard to do. Teachers need to guide the students. Educators, politicians, you need to set examples of what you want your society and your country to look like, because everybody has a say and kids are watching everything we do.